a little. Oh. You're so pretty, Celia. Bee. Oh. Beak.
Your one eye does look a little sad.
Beak. Yep, and the left eye.
The right eye.
No, she's got pink eye in the left eye. You can see it.
I don't see pink.
It's red, a little red rim.
Well, I see the right.
Oh. She has pink eye a little bit in the left eye.
Oh, yeah? Oh, good.
Maybe she's on drool.
Oh. See, you crazy grandma out there? It's like a big television screen.